In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends Origin Cloud Save conflict issue. First thing you're going to do is just go here and you want to type in control panel. So here, go to programs, and here go to programs and features, and I suggest you to find Apex Legends and completely uninstall it, and you're going to have to reinstall it. So what you're going to do is just find it from here and right click and uninstall. And you also might have to uninstall it and delete some folders from C drive. So if you go to C drive and you go to program here, program data, you might have to find some folders here related to Apex Legends. So if you did find them, delete them. And here, program files 86. Also, if you find that here, any folders, right click and then delete. And after that, reinstall like Apex Legends and reinstall all the folders here. So after you reinstall all the folders, I suggest to restart your computer and hopefully your issue is fixed.